In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect your Shopify store to Instagram Shop. To get started, open your web browser and log into your Shopify admin. This is the main dashboard where you manage your products, orders, customers, apps, and sales channels. Make sure you are signing in to the correct store before you continue, especially if you manage more than one Shopify store. Once you are inside the admin area, you should be on the main Shopify dashboard, and from here you can begin setting up the connection between Shopify and Instagram. Next, look at the left side menu in your Shopify admin and navigate to Apps. This section is where Shopify manages tools and integrations that extend what your store can do. After opening Apps, select the option to visit the Shopify App Store. This will take you to the official marketplace where you can search for apps that connect Shopify with other platforms. Now use the search bar in the Shopify App Store and search for Facebook and Instagram. This is the official app used to connect your Shopify store with Meta tools, including Facebook Shops and Instagram Shopping. When you find the Facebook and Instagram app, open its listing and choose the option to install it. Shopify may show a permission screen explaining what the app needs access to in order to work properly. Review the information, then continue with the installation. Once the app has been installed, you will be guided back into Shopify. At this point, you should see an option to add the Facebook and Instagram sales channel. Click Add Sales Channel to begin the setup process. This is the part where Shopify starts connecting your store with your Meta business account, which is needed to manage your catalog and make products available on Instagram. Follow the prompts on screen to connect your Meta business account. If you are already logged into Meta in your browser, Shopify may detect that account automatically. If not, you will be asked to sign in. Continue through the prompts carefully and make sure you choose the correct business account associated with your store. This matters because your product catalog, Facebook business page, and Instagram business account all need to be connected under the same business setup. After your Meta business account is connected, go into the app settings inside Shopify. Here you will need to verify your domain. Domain verification helps confirm that your Shopify store is legitimate and that you control the website connected to your catalog. Follow the on-screen prompts provided by the Facebook and Instagram app to complete the verification process. In the same settings area, connect your Facebook business page and your Instagram business account. These are the accounts that will represent your shop on Meta platforms. Select the correct Facebook business page first, then choose the Instagram business account that you want to use for Instagram shopping. Take a moment here to double-check your selections before continuing, because choosing the wrong page or account can cause delays during the review process. Next, set up your data sharing settings. Shopify will give you options for how much customer and browsing data can be shared with Meta to help with tracking, analytics, and ad performance. The maximum level is recommended for the strongest data connection and the most complete reporting. Select the setting that matches your preference, then continue through the setup. After that, you will be asked to review and accept the terms and conditions. Read through the information shown on screen, then accept the terms when you are ready. Once everything has been connected and confirmed, click Submit for review. This sends your store to Meta so they can review it and confirm that it meets the requirements for Instagram shopping. Now you will need to wait for Meta to approve your store. Approval time can vary, so if you do not see the shopping option immediately, give the review process time to complete. Once your store has been approved, open the Instagram app on your mobile device and go to your account settings. Inside Instagram settings, select Business, then choose Shopping. This is where Instagram lets you connect your approved product catalog to your profile. Select the product catalog that was created or connected through Shopify. After selecting the catalog, Instagram shopping will be enabled for your account, and your products can be used with your Instagram shop. That covers everything you need to know.